welcome back to How Ines Rolls. I am about to get ready to do a super easy dinner using my sunbasket. Want to know more about sunbasket? Let's get started. Sunbasket is a meal kit service that specializes in healthy organic foods. And they also specialize in lots of different diet styles. So if you're paleo, vegetarian, gluten-free, diabetic, they got you covered. And I'll have a promo code that will get you covered. So let me show you what I got yesterday. What is that?
I wonder what it is.
Well, it's our delivery from Sunbasket. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited about this. Place that has like the cold wraps, and it is organic, and they also have some really great stuff. I am so excited about the bone broth. I love bone broth, and I'm sure there's lots of yummies in here too. So I'm going to start unpacking it with Ezra's help.
This is cold.
It is cold. In our paper, this came with all of the recipes that are for the next like couple weeks or whatever, and they're all put together, all of this. So this is what I got: the prosciutto pizza with the fresh mozzarella and arugula salad. And I got the next one, which is fried chicken sandwiches with chipotle mayo. We know that's for me, and the mango salad. Doesn't that look delicious? Now, all of their food is organic. So let me show you how it's all packaged. I am so excited about this because, like tonight, I have no idea what I'm going to be making for dinner. So I can't wait to open all of these up and get going. Does that look good?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it looks like brown bags, but let's show you what's inside. So inside this bag, you can see down in there, I have all of my ingredients. So it comes with the buns, it comes with tomatoes, an avocado, thank you very much, and it's like perfect. It looks like some organic tarragon and other little things. Let me see. Looks like we came with a mango, the chipotle mayo, and some seasonings. And then a couple of chicken breasts. So this is just going to be more like a lunch portion for Paul and I. I'm really excited, but we have some organic Italian salad with some tomatoes. It also came with avocado hummus, and I can't wait to open these ones. I'm so excited. Looks like Ezra wants to open a salad or a bag, and it's a salad. So those are the croutons. You love croutons.
Yeah, they're really crunchy.
Yes. What else is in there? Oh, how to put it together. Some sunflower seeds. And I love that everything is organic, so it's all like really good for us. And you know how Daddy's not been eating a lot of gluten too, so ooh, more tomatoes. So that is going to be delicious. There's more?
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Is that some cheese? Oh, yummy to go on top of the salad. Well, thanks, Ezzy. Is there more?
Yeah.
What? Some herbs? Parsley. Perfect. More?
Yeah, there's another last one.
Okay. Is that basil? More. Oh, more parsley. Okay, perfect. So, do you think that's pretty easy to put together? Just a salad. Can't wait. So I can't wait to share with you how I'm putting these meals together, how super easy it all is, and some interesting offers for my viewer friends. So hold on. I'm going to put these away and we're going to bust them out tomorrow. So I'm going to be doing a couple of different ones. I have the prosciutto pizza with fresh mozzarella and arugula salad. So I'm going to make that, but Paul's been trying to be really good at not having so much gluten. And so we're gonna do some chicken sandwiches with a mango salad. So I thought we have both of them out because these are really for 2 people, 2 portions. And so if you're having more than 2 people in your family, you would just double up. That's kind of what I did with one of these orders. So super easy. And I love that the bags are biodegradable. I can just put them right into the recycling bin. And so I need to get started. It's going to be so easy. And I've been looking forward to doing this. So let's do it. So the reason I am in a pinch and don't really know what to cook is because tonight is my preschool graduation. Insert all the ahs. So I just want to make sure everything's in order, everybody's fed before we go. So to get started, you can see I already showed you this, but it shows all of the directions. And so I'm just getting started. It came in a pack like this, the flatbread pizza. Smells delicious. I already opened it up and I already got my marinara. So I'm just gonna put this on and I'll bring you closer. So remember, everything here is organic. I love that. Look at this. The cutest little mozzarella I've ever seen. I mean, really. And I am loving the smell. Everything smells so fresh. So easy. Really, the kids could even put this one together. I kind of feel like I should put some pineapple on it though. Oh well, that's okay. So these are just gonna cook for 8 to 10 minutes, super fast. And while that's going, I'm going to make the arugula salad. So it already has it, everything's pre-portioned. I totally love that because then it just makes all of this way easy. Very little thought process, really. The only thing I have to do is add a little bit of my own olive oil. But on the side, which is kind of what I'm probably gonna do with some tomatoes, which they gave me some, so I'm gonna use those. This is looking awesome. Totally easy. So I'm gonna let you know in a little while what awesome deal Sunbasket is gonna be doing for you guys. So one of my add-ons was I could have a snack, and I love tomatoes. So I'm just going to pop those in the salad. I'll be able to get some of that out, but put it on top of the pizza. Boom, done. I just pulled these out of the oven. Delicious. They smell so good. I can't wait to try it with the arugula salad. Can't wait. But what I'm gonna do now is make another recipe really fast because like I said, this one's gonna be more for Paul. He can have this, of course, but in case he doesn't, I have something that he can. So let me go let these cool down and then I'll be tasting them soon. So I took out all the ingredients for the fried chicken it's gonna have a mango salad with it. So right now we're just getting the chicken prepared for it to be fried. I'm gonna use my skillet back here, and all I had to do is add a little bit of oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, because we're gonna be cooking them at the same time. So it says to flatten it out because that's going to make it cook even faster. In a little bowl, it came, I just needed to use my little bowl. It came with a little pouch of the cornmeal, and look, it's all organic cayenne. I just added some salt and pepper, and then I'm just gonna coat both of those. Now I'm just sprinkling, and then I'm gonna flip them over, do the other side. And right now I have my pan getting warmer. I can feel it, yes. So I'm gonna put these right into the pan. While the chicken behind me is cooking, I'm going to put together this mango salad. So they sent a mango with avocados, and these are all organic ingredients, of course, right? They are known for now, because I told you, organically sourced ingredients. So they're perfect. Let's go. Now I'm not going to do any crazy hacks when I'm cutting this. I'm just gonna do my best to just try to get as many slices as I can. I'll leave the hacks for Danny and Tina. Oh, but look at how perfect that just came off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so when I was a girl, I would eat lots of mangoes, and I would just cut the skin off and then like kind of eat the skin. And then I had all the meat around the pit, and I would just eat that around the pit like that. So good. And you know how like smells and tastes bring back those childhood memories? This obviously is one of them. Guess I have to keep eating it like this myself. So good. So in the picture it shows like that it's sliced, you know, like nice long slices, and also avocado perfect. Totally appreciate that. But I know my family, so I'm gonna chunk it up and separate them so they can get whatever they would like, and however, but that way they're still trying. Ta-da! The salad is done. Those chickens are about done, and I'm just gonna let them rest on a plate while I get the buns toasted in the same pot, in the same frying pan, just for like a minute or so, just to heat them up. And then I can put the chicken in the bun, a little of this on the side. But for Paul, I'm gonna make his bunless. So while I'm getting everything ready, I just needed to tell you that I just made 2 dinners in about 45 minutes. So super quick. You know, I had a bite already of that pizza, and I'll let you know. It's good stuff. And even Kobe had some because I just took him to work, and he said it was very, very flavorful. So I love that, and I'll be dishing up and trying some more and letting you know. So let me tell you about the offer that Sunbasket is giving you. So there's going to be my link right here. It says Sunbasket / how Ines rolls, and with that link you'll get $35 off your first week, $15 off your second week, with a total of $50 off. So I think that's super awesome. And you know what? You're gonna get some really great food that's organic, or maybe even tailored to the special needs of your diet. So do that now, because it's probably not gonna be forever. Get that link going. So like these foods in this video, give the video a thumbs up, and I'm going to be showing you where I'm gonna be going in a couple of minutes. So I've plated up. So the one pizza is like per person. So I'm just having like a quarter of it just for sampling, because I have all this other good yummy stuff on here. Looks good, smells good. If I can get a piece up, because I'm gonna do a flatbed, a pizza roll. That is bomb. It is so flavorful with the arugula salad in that. Oh my goodness, so good. Now there's a chipotle mayo, and I forgot to put it on my buns, but that's okay. I'll go back and get some in a minute. That chicken, so good. And the salad, gotta try a little bit of everything. I would have thought about putting mangoes with avocado and tomatoes, but it works. Oh my gosh, so good. I love avocado, it's really good. And actually I only used half of the avocado, so the other half I plan on putting on some toast or maybe some homemade bagels. Anyways, it's gonna be really good. So I'm gonna go finish up my dinner, and look at all this cuteness right here. Way up in the sky, way down in the rocks. The spider didn't answer. He was very busy spinning his web. Weren't they just so cute? I already know it's gonna be such a cute little program. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks also to my friends at Sunbasket for sending me this meal, the meal kit. I love them, and I hope you do too. So down below in the description box is my link to get that big discount. So I hope you'll do it, and let me know in the comments if you do, or if you've thought about it. So stick around, you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye everyone.